Ni hao, hello everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. In this video I wanted to show you how a soft sleeper on a slow train looks like. In one of my previous videos I showed you how a hard sleeper looks like, and hopefully you can check it out after this video if you haven't watched it yet. So you can start off by buying your ticket at the train station or a nearby ticket office or online in advance and pick it up. This is how your ticket is supposed to look like. Usually it's pink or blue. You have your departure and arrival destination. You have your train number, date and time of departure, your carriage and seat number, price of the ticket, and passport, passenger's information and name. This is what a slow train looks like. Look for your carriage number and you can confirm from the train conductors at the doors of the train. Down this long corridor, there are cubicles with bed numbers on the doors. Look for your bed number and make yourself comfortable. As you can see, the soft sleeper has 4 beds per cubicle, whereas the hard sleeper has 3 beds. There's a coat hanger, a soft backrest, a pillow and a blanket, a table and space underneath the table for luggage, as well as above the beds. Soft sleeper has doors for privacy, so it's great for group travels. I had swapped my top bed with a family that had a bottom bed in a different cubicle because they wanted to be together, so we ended up swapping beds. In the train, there's a public restaurant that's usually closed at around 8 or 9 p.m. I'm not very sure, but once it's evening time, it gets closed. As you can see, there is no one here and it's only for customers. This is the public toilet. Of course, it is a squatting toilet, but what can you do? When it's time to sleep, people close their doors, or if you're not ready to sleep, you can have a seat in the corridor. Especially if you have a top bed and you're unable to sit up, you definitely want to just come out in the corridor and sit here. You can see that they also have some sockets so you can charge your phone or any kind of gadget that you have. I woke up because of all the snoring. There's also a reading night as well for those readers that enjoy reading before sleeping. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you aren't already. I'll see you in my next video. 再见!